Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Bangladesh. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Bangladesh has thousands of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is through freelancing and without any investment and capital. So let's go to the best website for the freelancing. So Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace that gives you the opportunity to sell anything to the business owners and potential buyers. So what you have to sell? So so you have to sell your skills like your game designing, graphic designing, video editing, providing user testing experience and other things. So with this you can just do it. So Fiverr is a very great platform to do that. Okay, you can just see here when you are selling, you can also register here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.